We'll guide you through how to make film, flash, transition, DaVinci Resolve. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Start by opening the application and creating a new project so you have a fresh workspace to begin editing. Next, go to the edit page to access the main timeline and tools needed for arranging your video. Import 2 video clips into the media pool so they are ready to use in your project. After that, drag both clips onto the timeline in sequence and place them next to each other. Make sure the clips are neatly arranged and properly aligned so the cut between them is clean. Then, cut a few frames between the clips to create space where the transition will be added. Import a light effect transition clip into the media pool and drag the transition clip onto the timeline. Trim the transition clip carefully so it matches the exact part of the video where the transition will be applied. Ensure the transition clip is not too long or too short, as this can affect the overall smoothness. Place the transition clip above the 2 clips you want to connect so it overlays them correctly. Next, increase the speed of the transition clip so it better matches the timing of the video clips. Open the inspector and enable the composite settings. Then choose the screen mode to blend the transition naturally with the footage. Also enable the transform option and increase the zoom until the transition fully covers the video clips. Adjust the position of the transition according to your preference to get the desired visual effect. After that, go back to the edit page and preview the transition to see how it looks in motion. If it is not smooth enough, refine the timing, position, or speed until it feels right. Finally, export the video once the result matches your expectations and the transition looks clean and seamless. To achieve the best results, add some sound effects that match the type of transition you're using. You can also slightly adjust the opacity or timing to make the blending smoother and more seamless. Make sure to preview the result several times until the transition feels natural and consistent with the overall style of the video before doing the final export.